Hey everyone, Mike Vecchione from MarineMax here in Danvers, standing on a 2021 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. This boat here is equipped with the Mercury 60 horsepower 4-stroke. You have a nice ladder here as well. Coming aboard, double wide helm seat with a flip back rest. You can use this as a leaning post as well. This boat here has got the larger fuel tank. Moving forward, nice good size console here, plenty of room to mount a GPS and chart plotter, your toggle switches here, a couple of cup holders up here as well. There is an option to do this boat with a bimini top. Moving forward, this boat is equipped with the fishing package, which gives you your cooler seats with a backrest, 4 extra rod holders, bow cushion. Underneath the bow cushions is an anchor locker. This boat here is equipped with the split bow rail, which makes it easy to get on and off the boat from the front as well. So this is the 2021 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. If you'd like more information, please call me at 781-395-0050. Thank you.